हमारे बीच जो प्रतिभागी हैं वो पुडुचेरी से हैं और दीपांजलि अंग्रेजी भाषा में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी पर अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं। जी दीपांजलि।
Standing tall before you is Dipanjali, a proud daughter of Bharat from Pondicherry University. And today, from the heart of my motherland, Delhi, I invite you all to walk with me through the echoes of history into a story that binds us all. Yes, the story of United India. Once upon a time, there was a man who went to a village named Bardoli. Farmers were beaten, families broken, taxes were charged on them. But that man, he challenged the injustice of British government. He fought not with violence but with truth and determination. He led the farmers in a movement so powerful that the British mighty had to bow down. And when he was returning, a young girl shouted from the crowd, "Sardar!" Then another and another, until the whole crowd shouted, "Sardar, Sardar, Sardar." And that day, Vallabh Bhai Patel became Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Not by power, but by people. And the story didn't stop here. It only got braver. Dear ladies and gentlemen, when he couldn't become the Prime Minister of the country, did he protest? Did he divide? Did he walk away? No, because he was not there to rule India, but to unite India. He didn't chase the position, he chased the mission. The mission of united India. And what a mission it was. 562 princely states, each with their own flag, rulers and laws. But who convinced them to join one nation? Not by war, but by will. He was none other than Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. And he didn't stop at unity. He knew India needed discipline. And that's why he built the IAS. Not just as a service, but a steel backbone for our democracy. No headlines, no drama, just work. Quiet, relentless, and nation first. And today, when we look at the Statue of Unity, we see more than bronze and iron. We see strength in a character, courage under pressure, and willpower taller than any monument. Because that statue wasn't made just from any metal, it was made from the story of a man who gave us more than independence. He gave us integration, he gave us integrity, he gave us India. And the story which began in Bardoli still echoes in every heartbeat of this united India. In the end, I would say, खुद को कर दिया न्योछावर, जैसे मानो खेल है वो. खुद को कर दिया न्योछावर, जैसे मानो खेल है वो. बुद्धि और शौर्य का, जी हाँ, बुद्धि और शौर्य का एक अद्भुत मेल है वो. और कोई पूछे तो कह देना, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल है वो, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल है वो. भारत माता की जय. थैंक यू सो मच.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दीपांजलि।